Alright, this is a tutorial on writing an inquiry blog post. So we have a topic that we want to research, and I'm gonna bring you through the steps quickly of coming up with a question and doing a little research to find the answers to that question. So the directions today on your sheet read: using the postings on the Wonderopolis blog as a model, write your own post that includes a title question, supporting questions, background information, answers, internet links to other related information, and a list of important vocabulary for your topic. So today our title question is, why does a tree's leaves change color in the fall? I've always been curious about this, so let's see if we can find some of the answers to this question. We're going to go on the internet to Mr. EJ's blog. We're going to go to Mr. EJ's bookmarks, on to Mr. EJ's Delicious Bookmarks site. I'm going to do some basic research, but I want to make sure my research content is appropriate for kids. So I'm going to say, why do leaves change color? Question mark. We'll use this Ask for Kids search engine. Why do leaves change color? So this says, in autumn, the production of chlorophyll, the green pigment in leaves, slows to a halt. Carotenoids and anthocyanins, yellow, orange, and dark red pigments are exposed in the leaves, giving them their characteristic autumnal colors. So let's see if there's any other sources. Okay, here's a page from the U.S. Forest Service, all about my topic, why do leaves change color? So let's see, the first question, before we get into my topic question, we have to come up with the three detailed questions that I want to find my answers to are, why does the color change happen in the fall? Why do the leaves fall off after turning colors? And then, why do some trees turn red while others turn yellow or orange? Let's see if we can use our internet research to find the answers to these. Alright, looking on the web page, I want to know why it happens in the fall. So I found this section, how does autumn color happen? 3 factors influence autumn leaf color: leaf pigments, length of night, and weather, but not quite in the way we think. The timing of color change and leaf fall are primarily regulated by the calendar, that is, the increasing length of night. So in the winter we have a longer night, the fall is beginning of that longer night, so the amount of light that the leaf is receiving is a major player in the color change. Okay, so I'm going to write that down in my background info. Leaves change color because the length of night gets longer. Okay, so remember that I also want to know why some trees turn like yellow and others turn red. It seems that there's 3 chemicals. The color palette needs pigments, and there are 3 types that are involved in autumn color. Chlorophyll, this is the basic green color. Carotenoids produce yellow, orange, and brown colors. And then these anthocyanins, which give darker colors to things such as cranberries, red apples, Concord grapes, blueberries, cherries, and plums. So it seems like these different chemicals are involved in the colors. Now also down here I can see that certain colors are characteristic of species, like oaks turn red, brown, or russets, and hickories turn golden bronze. So it is also the kind of tree that's important for the kind of color it's changing. Okay, I'm going to add that to my graphic organizer. I'm going to say chemicals influence the color of the leaves, and different species show particular colors in the fall. So oaks turn red or brown. All right, so why do the leaves fall? Well, this is kind of a complicated process. Let's go over this section. It says, what triggers leaf fall? In early autumn, in response to the shortening days and declining intensity of sunlight, so the less sunlight, leaves begin to the process leading up to their fall. The veins that carry fluids into and out of the leaf gradually close off as a layer of cells forms at the base of each leaf. This is called the abscission layer. These clogged veins trap sugars in the leaf and promote production of anthocyanins. Those are the deep colors, reds, blues. Once this separation layer is complete and the connecting tissues are sealed off, the leaf is ready to fall. All right, so let's add that to our graphic organizer. Leaves fall off because the veins in the leaf are clogging and sealing themselves off from the woody part of the tree. This triggers the anthocyanins, which cause the leaf color. Okay, so I believe that we've found the answers to 3 of our questions. One thing that's going to help us is if we number our questions. 1, 2, and 3. Now we can write answers 1, 2, and 3 below. All right, I've got my answers written. So why does it happen in the fall? A decrease in the amount of light during the day starts the color change. Question 2, why do the leaves fall off after turning colors? The veins or tubes begin to clog and seal off. This brings on the presence of anthocyanins. Once the leaf is completely sealed off from the woody part of the tree, it will drop. Question 3, why do some trees turn red while others turn yellow or orange? Well, I can see that the color the leaf changes depends on the species of the tree. Some oaks turn red and brown while poplars turn yellow. Alright, now it's time to include our internet resources. So the first one we found was askkids.com. Why do leaves change color? And I also found another resource about why leaves change color on YouTube, and we'll watch that after the tutorial. So important words to know during the definitions. Okay, the article gave 3 important definitions: chlorophyll, carotenoids, anthocyanins. So these are the 3 keywords that I'm going to include for this presentation. Alright, so now I wrote down the definitions of chlorophyll, carotenoids, and anthocyanins. Chlorophyll makes photosynthesis happen. It's the green color in leaves. Carotenoids produces the yellow or orange color, and anthocyanins appear as the leaf veins clog, and it shows itself as the red colors in the leaf. Okay, so that was a somewhat longer presentation or tutorial about how to do a little research on a question, how to develop some more detailed specific questions, how to use the internet to do research to get some background information on the subject, and how to write direct answers to my detailed questions, how to cite my resources, and come up with keywords to know for the concept. I hope this helps you out in using Mr. EJ's blog and the internet search sites to create a better understanding and do research on the inquiry blog so that you can post your questions and the answers that you found. Good luck. Have a great day.